Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to request a refund on Depop. Alright, so people normally request refunds for a variety of reasons. Usually when a product or service doesn't meet their expectations or the agreement was breached and the time of purchase was not met. So sometimes people request for refund when they have product issues, when they have delivery problems, when they change their minds from buying a particular problem, when they have payments or transaction issues, when they have issues with the services that they received. So these are a number of reasons why people might request for a refund on Depop. Now, to go ahead to show you how to request a refund on Depop in case you've encountered any of those problems, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly logged in on your Depop platform. Go through Google and then just type in depop.com, navigate through all of the setup process, and it will take you to this page, which is your home page on Depop. Now, next, you want to contact your seller, all right, to request for your refund on Depop. Ensure that you're properly logged in, and the next thing, you go to your icon over here at the top right corner, click on that and head over to purchases. When you've done that, find the item you want to request a refund for. All right, the item would be somewhere listed over here. After finding the item, tap on the item to open the order details. When you've done that, contact the particular seller that sold that product to you and then state the reason why you're requesting for your refund politely. You can mention that the item was not received or the item was not as described. You either got the wrong item or the item got damaged on its way to you. Also, do well to attach photos to show your claim. Now, wait for the seller's response. Depop encourages sellers to respond within a few days. Many refunds are usually resolved directly with the seller without Depop getting involved. So, if you do not get any responses from the seller, do well to escalate to Depop and they would help you out through the refund process. This is how you can properly get or request for a refund on Depop, and everything that you requested for would be met in no time. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I've been able to show you how to effectively request a refund on Depop with no hassle. Have a great shopping experience. Thank you and bye for now.